സൂര്യാംശു ഓരോ വയൽ പൂവിലും വൈരം പതിക്കുന്നുവോ. Yes, this Malayalam lyrics means each sun ray creates diamond on each leaves on this earth. Yes, on this Valentine week, I'm giving you different boyfriends or girlfriends to be with you always. A Valentine to be with you always. Yesterday, I gave you a very beautiful, handsome one, that is you yourself as your Valentine. Once you are your own Valentine, life will be so beautiful, so meaningful. Today, I'm giving you another one, that is none other than the sun. Yes, Surya Bhagavan, the ultimate provider of energy to everything and everything in this world. Yes, we have the rituals of worshipping the sun, and it was that ritual had a meaning, but we, the new generation, has forgotten that. And even if we are doing it, it is just like a mechanical ritual, mechanical action. No, today onwards, sun is the Valentine of your life. He is the ultimate provider of energy for everything and everything in your life. If you lack energy, sit in the sun. Photosynthesis is the process. Yes, photosynthesis is a process by which all plants are creating their own food, and the excess food they store in the roots, leaves, and stems, and all. We animals and human eat these fruits and vegetables and all these roots and everything like food, and we get energy out of this food. Means we are always receiving this energy passively, not directly. But we are so sophisticated that we are inside the homes and we don't have time to be in the sun, be in the sunlight. No, what we need to do is be in the sun at least in the morning and in the evening. The sun rays and sunset, never miss it in your life. I am not denying that we are in a high tech corporate worlds. No, I'm not denying it. But spend at least 10 minutes in the morning, early morning, when the sun rises. If you can see that rising sun, that itself will take away all the laziness out of your life. It will fill you with a new energy, new power, new enthusiasm, new hope. Yes, and when you start with that sun rays and with that energy, it will automatically lead you to a successful life, a fruitful life during the day. And when you see the sunset, it is so amazing that all the tiredness of the day also will be vanished. Like you can feel that soothing sun rays into your heart. You can feel it. You can be with it. Sunrise and sunsets. So you may have to change your habits that late to bed and late to rise. you may have to change it. Early to bed and early to rise. Then only you can see the rising sun. No, what do you say? It is free of cost and you will get the full energy. You cannot get this energy from anywhere else in this world. Solar energy is the direct energy. You can receive it directly into your body, even if you have some skin diseases also. I mean, we naturopath say that it is Surya Snan, sun bath. Almost all the diseases can be cured by this solar energy. I'm not going to the depth of that scientific this one race and all, but be in the sun, be with the rising sun, be with the setting sun. Around 70% of your problems will be solved. Just be with the sun in the morning, just be with the sun in the evening. So today, take the sun as your Valentine. Thank you, thank you, thank you.